Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2014 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Limited. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2014 Harley-Davidson ELECTRA Ultra Limited with 25,214 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with ABS, cruise control, heated grips, a keyless ignition, a multifunction 4-speaker audio system, and navigation. It's been upgraded with Harley-Davidson fuel cap, a primary cover, timing cover, rider and passenger footrest covers, a brake pedal, shifter pegs, headlight visor, pass lamp visors, saddlebag guards, speaker trim, axle caps, aftermarket slip-on mufflers, passenger grab handles, an aftermarket stage 1 intake, chrome gauges and radio trim, a tour pack guard, a kickstand extension, horn cover, a digital dipstick, and LED tour pack lights. Powered by a 103 cubic inch V-twin engine, the ELECTRA puts 101 foot-pounds of torque through a 6-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel capacity, the ELECTRA has a 200 to 240 mile range. It has a 29.1 inch seat height and an 896 pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 530 seconds and the rear at 930 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We posted the service repair order for this bike, so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There's a paint chip on the front fender, chips on the lower fairing, scratch on the saddlebag guard, scratch on the mirror housing, and a texture blemish on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, 1 key and 1 fob, a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike has been through our Select program. It received an inspection, repairs, detail, and comes with a 30-day, 1,000-mile powertrain warranty. For additional program details, please review the program and warranty section in the listing. Additional warranty coverage is also available. We offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.